Okay, there's my lovely wife who is helping me with the diet, and there is my toddler who thinks it's cool that he's got a pizza and I can't because I'm on a low carb diet and at Sam's Club Deli. So, what does my wife do for me? Let me show you. This is a good one. Okay, first she went and got a Caesar salad. We have a small one. It had Caesar dressing, lemon, croutons, grated Parmesan, $2.48. Seasoned rotisserie fully cooked. Okay. Seasoned rotisserie chicken for $4.98. Put it together, and what do you got? $7.46 before tax. So a little over $8 in Florida because we have 8% tax. And she brought that to the deli for me. And I just made it right there. Put on my Caesar dressing. Low carb diet for under $8. You get chicken, Caesar salad with leftovers. Good job, baby. Good job, Jonathan. Careful with that pizza. And you just cut that chicken into a couple pieces and throw it on top of your salad.
Wow, it's gorgeous.
Let me show you something. It's old starting me alive. You cut your chicken. All that's going to be leftovers for later. Lemon. Take a little lemon. Put this in there. Squeeze that on there. You can do all this at your table at Sam's Club. Yummy. Look at the big chunks of grated cheese on that salad. Big chunks of grated cheese. I like a lot of grated cheese though. Oh, yeah. And if you go to the condiment bar, they also have extra grated cheese for your pizza, but I use extra grated cheese for my salad too. Load it up. It's okay with the keto diet.
Any carbs for the day, you could add the croutons.
Okay, say that.
So you. I'm not saying it, my mouth is full. No!
If you haven't had many carbs for the day, it comes with croutons. So now you have a Caesar salad, a rotisserie chicken with a lot leftovers for under $8.
For $8.
For $8.
It's not under.
That's not much. That's good.
No, but I'm saying it's not under.
Oh.
It's a beaut there, Clark.
Yep. All right. Thank you. Chicken Caesar, $7.50.
$8.
Oh, $8. Can you get a close up of me putting this in my mouth?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Just weird. That's just weird. Here, let's bring up 10.
It's so good.
That's just weird.
Eat tripe, no. Eat tripe, no. Eat tripe, no. Eat tripe, no.
Whoa, that was close. Add an ice cold drink for 89 cents. 32-ounce refills.
That's just weird.
Best deal on the planet.
Eat tripe, no. Eat tripe, no.